Hello and welcome to our next session about Theben's smart home solution system named LUXORliving. In our tutorial today, it's tutorial number 5, I would like to introduce some further functions like holiday functions or absence simulations. Additionally, I would like to show how the panic function is working and how you can modify a few settings in the panic function. First, let me start Luxor Play. Within Luxor Play, we do have here a button named or a keypad named Automatic. I will click on Automatic and on Holiday. In that area, you can configure the absence simulation. For example, I want to have the simulation running for the wall lamp. I will just go in here, define it is a light behavior like in a launch, so it's longer, or the duration interval is longer. They should run daily. It should start after sunset, and the simulation should end also in a daily interval and after sunrise. And I will say OK. And to activate it for the lamp, you just have to mark it here. Additionally, I would like to configure blinds. Therefore, I will activate it, run into here, and say, for example, it should also run daily. It should end daily, but it should start daily in the morning, for example, at 8 o'clock. And it should end in the evening, for example, at 9 o'clock. To activate the holiday simulation, you just need to mark it here. If you are going back, you can see that the holiday function is now activated and will start immediately when the sunrise will occur, or sunrise or sunset will occur. Additionally, in that session, I would like to show you panic. Panic is typically used in those kind of cases that you are alone on your own in your house, in your apartment, and you're hearing some strange noises. You would like to lighten up the whole building, the whole apartment, and to open all the blinds in the hope that probably if somebody is in the apartment, that he will leave immediately. You can switch off panic just by clicking on the panic key and push that icon. Now all the lamps in your apartment or in your flat are now activated. You cannot switch them off manually. First, you have to deactivate panic again. And now you can switch on and off the lights again manually. Panic right now is implemented via a two-step activation. If you want to modify this behavior, you just have to go to settings and you can configure that two-stage activation for panic in here. Now it's deactivated, and if you just press on panic, it starts automatically and you can disable it in the same way. Central off is a very nice function. Typically, it's a button at your front door, which you just click on, which you are just using to click on it to ensure that all the lights will be switched off when you are leaving your apartment. That's the easiest way to ensure that all the lights are off. For central off, you have very similar to the panic function, also the possibility to do it via a two-stage actions. Then you have to click and to push that button, and then central loss has been activated. That's now all for today. Thanks for your time. Thanks for listening. See you at our next tutorial. Thanks and have a nice day. Goodbye.